Today is going to be also another exciting day because it's the first day of installing Maybach officially. A good installer will take the time to level it, to install it, and to make sure that the distance between your flashing here and the Maybach is very well measured and agreed upon with the client. Because sometimes if you leave too much distance, it doesn't look as good. One of the things that's interesting with Maybach is not only their customer service, the quality of their product, but also how they dry their wood. It's wood that does not work with humidity, it does not work with temperature variances, and that's what we need in our weather in Quebec. We could have in the same week 20-degree fluctuation, maybe sometimes the same day. That's why we are a big fan of that product. Every time that you do a cut on Maybach, you have to do a touch-up paint on the edges. It comes with its own touch-up coat. So we're gonna see all of these applications as the job advances. But above all, you're gonna see the real curb appeal of this house once they're gonna start going up further and further. Especially when the two shingles, when the two finishes are going to start meeting each other. So I can't wait to show you the rest of the journey. Enjoy and stay tuned.